Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a ladybug. Take a marker and draw a horizontal line. Add an oval for the head. Add a second horizontal line. Draw a big half oval for the body. Draw two ovals melted together for the eyes. Color the head and underside black. Add pupils. Draw 3 spots and color them black. Draw the antennae. Draw an upside-down U shape in the middle of the body. Add 2 more legs on each side. Draw an oval at the end of each leg for the feet. If you feel the legs are a bit thin, you can make them thicker. Color the ladybug red. And our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.